Hello students, today we are going to discuss here the mathematics lesson, that is the algebraic expressions. Here now we are going to discuss the algebraic expressions, what the algebraic expressions are, how the equations are written and what the equation contains. Let me see one by one. Here we can see that first one is variables. Variables are nothing but some of the alphabets we can take like A to Z. All the alphabets must be written in a small letters. Like we can take here A, B, C, then L, M, N, X, Y, Z. Whatever the alphabets is written in the equation, whatever the alphabets is written in the expressions, that we can say here, that is the variables. And next, one more important point we are going to discuss, that expressions contain, it is constant. Constants, what are the constant? The constant is nothing but the numbers, we can say, the numeric values. We can say that the numbers are nothing but the like 1, 6, 7, 8, 1, 5, whatever the numbers we can take. Here all those numbers are the constants we can take here. So now we can see here that the next point we are going to discuss here, the term. What the term is nothing but? Term is nothing but either we can take only the alphabets or only the numbers, constants. Only variables are the constants, maybe the terms. For example, we can take here 6 and either it is m, or we can take both, they together form and terms also. For example, we can take 6x, then 8m. So likewise we have to take all these are the terms, we can say. Okay, so then next point we can see here, it is that all these terms, what we can see here, that all the terms are adding, multiplying, divided, all these and subtracted, all these numbers together, it forms an expression. What we can see here, that the terms, all these terms, the terms we can add or subtract, either we can multiply or divide, it forms an expressions. So how the expression forms, let me see here, that is, if suppose 6m is there, 6m plus 8m, so this is an expression, we can say that. Otherwise we can take here that it becomes the 14m. So how we have to add or subtract, let me see it afterwards. Otherwise we can take here that 6x plus 7, this is one of the expression. The next one we can see here 8t plus 5 is also an expression. So these are the expressions we can see here, that 8t is one of the term, 8t is the term and 5 is also the terms. Here what we can see, the terms are 8t and 5, these are the terms. And next, one more important point we have to discuss here, it is that the coefficient of the numbers, coefficients of the number. So what are the coefficient of this t? What is the coefficient of t? We can say here, the coefficient of t is 8. The coefficient of t is 8. What is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is equal to here 6x. This is the terms we can see here. What is the coefficient of 6 is here? The coefficient of 6 becomes, the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x becomes 6 it is. So here we can see, in this way we have to find out the coefficients also. Next we can see here that the factors, for example the expressions we can see here, that expression we can see here, it is 4x square minus 3 is this. 4x square minus 3. So among this expression we have to see here the terms first. What are the terms we can see here? It is, this is 4x square is one term and 3 is another term. Let me write here 4x square and 3 is the another term. And next we can see here that the coefficient of x, coefficient of x is here only 4. The coefficient of x square, we can say that coefficient of x square is 4. And the next one we can see here, that the factors we can see here, the factors of this 4. As you know that the factors of 4 is nothing but 1, 2 and 2 is there. 1, 2, 1 and 2 is the factors of 4. Otherwise we can take here that 4 is the factor of this 4 into x square, then x square is there, x comes 2 times, so these are the factors of 4x square. Here 4 into 2 x into x, otherwise we can write this as 2 into 2 into x into x. These are the factors, of the 4x square, and these 3 factors, it remains 3 as it is, otherwise we can take 1 into 3, 1 3s are. Okay, so in this way the prime factors are factors of that numbers, we have to write in this way. Okay, so we are going to discuss here, it is the what are the coefficients of x. Okay, so here some of the expression, it is given 3 expressions are there, so we can write here at the first one, it is expression. The first one, it is the expression, and here what are the coefficients of x we want. What we want, the coefficient of x. So the next term we can see here the factor with x, and then next one see coefficient of x. Next one coefficient of x. Next one is coefficient of x, we can see here. The expression, the first expression we can see here, it is that the 4x minus 3y. Here the factors which has the x. The factor with x, it is this one 4x, it has the x. So what are the coefficients of the 4x? What is the coefficient of 4x? We can take here the coefficient of 4x becomes coefficient of x becomes 4. What are the coefficient? What is the coefficient of x? X coefficient becomes the 4. 4x is there, so 4 is the coefficient of x. So the next expression we can take here that 8 minus x plus y. 8 minus x plus y. So here the terms with x, the terms which has the x, it is only minus x is there. So the term which has the x means only minus x is there. So what are the coefficient of minus x? We can take here that no numbers, no numerical numbers is there. So what we can take here that only minus 1 is the coefficient of x. And also we can see here that the next term, it is that 2z minus 5xz is there. Here the factors of that x becomes here minus 5xz is there, minus 5xz. So what we can take here that x factors we want here. So after you can left it that x, then what is remains here, that is minus 5z remains. So that minus 5z is the coefficient of the x. In also the same case, what are the coefficients of y? We can see here that. So we have to write here that expression. First one, it is that is 4x minus 3y, and what are the coefficient of y? What terms which has the y? This term has the y, that is minus 3y, the term which has the y. So what is the coefficient of this y? The coefficient of y becomes, it is minus 3, we can see here. And the next question, it is that is 8 plus yz. 8 plus yz. So here the terms, what are the terms which has the y here? The terms which has the y is yz. So what are the coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is nothing but the z. And also we can see here that the next expression, that is my plus m. So the terms which has y, that is my, and the coefficient of y becomes, that is the m. करना क्या है आपको? सिंपली जस्ट अल्फाबेट्स जिसका भी किसी कभी कोएफिशिएंट पूछता है, उसी नंबर को आपको क्या करना है, छोड़ के जो बाकी बचे हुए टर्म्स है उन सबको आप कोएफिशिएंट में रख सकते हो. उस तरह से आप कोएफिशिएंट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ओके.